Hey everyone, now I'm going to quickly show you how to make a scatter plot using aicuflow.com. So I'll head over to my flows, then click on new flow, give it a name scatter plot and create the flow. Now you have to head over to file manager to upload your data, select files and upload. After it's finished uploading, you head over to plot dashboards, click on create plot, select scatter plot and then your data and continue. Now for x-axis I'll take views, for y-axis I'll take impressions, and you can also change color. Let's say watch time. You can also change the size or explore the advanced options if you wish to. And I will click on create plot. And a scatter plot is ready in just a few clicks. A scatter plot is significant because it quickly shows how two numeric variables are related, which is hard to see in the form of a table of numbers. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.